Thinking of getting PMP certified but don't know where to begin? You're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple steps, explained in a beginner-friendly way, so you can confidently start your PMP journey. Let's break it down together. Step 1. Understand what PMP is and why it's a big deal. Before jumping in, let's first get clear on what PMP really means. PMP stands for Project Management Professional, a globally respected certification by PMI, Project Management Institute. It shows that you have the skills to manage projects, lead teams, and handle real-world challenges. PMP is industry-neutral, useful in IT, construction, healthcare, finance, and many more fields. PMP-certified professionals earn up to 25% more than their peers. If you're serious about a career in project management, this certification is 100% worth it. Step 2. Check if you're eligible. Now that you're interested, let's see if you qualify. Don't worry, most professionals do. There are 2 main eligibility paths. If you have a 4-year degree, 36 months of project experience, 35 hours of project management education. If you have a diploma or associate's degree, 60 months of project experience, 35 hours of training. Remember, your job title doesn't have to be project manager. If you've led tasks, teams, or timelines, that counts. If you match any one of these, you're good to move forward. Step 3. Complete the 35 hours training. This step is mandatory before you apply for the exam, but it's also super helpful. You need to complete 35 hours of project management education. You can take this online from platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or PMI-authorized providers. These courses cover essential PMP topics from the PMBOK Guide, which is the official study material. Choose a course that includes examples, case studies, and practice questions. Once done, you'll not only meet the requirement, but you'll actually feel more confident too. Step 4. Apply for the PMP exam. Okay, your training is complete. Let's move to the application. It's easier than it sounds. Visit the PMI.org website and create your account. Fill out your education, work experience, and training details. PMI will review your application. It usually takes about 5 days. Once approved, you can schedule your exam online or at a test center. Exam fee is around $405 for PMI members and $555 for non-members. And just like that, you're all set to start your PMP prep. Step 5. Prepare smart and stay consistent. This is where most people get stuck, but with a plan, you'll sail through it. Read the PMBOK Guide plus Agile content, the latest edition. Practice mock tests to get familiar with the exam format. Focus on the 3 domains: people, communication, leadership, conflict resolution; process, planning, executing, monitoring; business environment, value delivery, compliance, governance. Follow a schedule. Even 1 to 2 hours per day works if you're consistent. Use tools like flashcards, notes, and mobile apps to revise on the go. Stay focused, stay positive, and remember, consistency matters more than perfection. And that's it, your 5 beginner-friendly steps to get started with PMP certification. In the next episodes, we'll go deeper into each stage, especially how to write your experience, choose the right resources, and pass the exam with ease. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and start your PMP journey with confidence.